I made the most mouth-watering pizza ever. So if you be with me in the kitchen today, instead of doing makeup, then keep on watching the video and see how I pulled up that homemade pizza right there. Hi honey boos, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good, and as you can see with my attire, today's video is not about makeup or anything, but today you'll be with me in my kitchen. As you can see down below, I'll be making homemade pizza. Right now I've just done some homemade muffins, and they are really amazing, guys. These are so nice. So I'm not just only a makeup fan, I also love cooking. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see this. They're so amazing. But anyway, this is not really gonna be a tutorial on how I do my pizza, but I'm just gonna, just for contrology, just to show you how I quickly do a homemade pizza. If you're a fan of cooking, you'd like to do this as well, so stay tuned. I'm just gonna start with my bowl right now. This one is, let me just put it aside and get to them. I'm sorry, never mind my nail. But anyway, let's just get to the point and start cooking. Okay, so first things first, I'll take 2 cups of flour, 1. Let's make it 2.5 cups to kind of make it. Okay, now we're gonna use these. This is the type of yeast that I use. I hope it's clear enough. And we're just gonna need 1 teaspoon of that. I will take 2 teaspoons of sugar. You can use any type of sugar, either brown or white. And then I'll have to take a pinch of salt. I don't know how am I going to do that, but so these are all the dry ingredients, so we're going to mix them together. Okay, now I'm pouring my cooking oil, just 2 teaspoons of that. And now you're gonna have to pour your 1 cup of warm water, but you'll have to pour it gradually. Gently fold the flour over the liquid. So now I'm gonna knead the dough with my hands. So I'll pour a little bit of flour here on my work surface. I'm going to need my hands for this part to knead the dough properly. Okay guys, so I'm done and dusted with my dough. As you can see, so I'm just gonna roll it up to be circle, and I'll pour a little bit of oil inside my clean bowl. Just pour some oil in a clean bowl and you pour your dough. And there we go. So we're just gonna cover it up and wait at least for an hour so that it can raise. So I'm just gonna use anything to cover it up. You can use a cloth, you can use a plate, it's your choice. So now I'll be doing the ingredients that I'll be using on top of my pizza off camera, because I feel like it's gonna be a whole lot of work and I won't have time to capture everything. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, welcome again. I'm done doing the ingredients, so I'm just gonna take my pan here and pour some oil. It's been a lot of work, guys. So I'm not really going to use a circled pan. So here's my rectangle pan, and here is our dough. See how big is it now? It's double the size. As you can see, it's double the size. So I'm just gonna so here we go. And now I'm just gonna lay it down my pan just like this. So here's the dough filled up in the pan. As you can see, I hope it's clean up. So now I'm just gonna this is a lot of work. I thought it was gonna be quick and simple, but getting to chop the ingredients, cook, what, wait for the dough to raise, it's really a whole lot of work, but then it was worth it. Oh, I think my tomato puree is not a lot, but you guys, let me start with my minced meat. I don't know what should I put firstly, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna start with my minced meat here, but not all of it. Okay, then I'm just gonna pour my green peppers. It's not a lot, but okay, now I'm pouring my Viennas. Oh Lord, I'm just gonna put it okay, I think I'm not gonna use all of it because I feel like it's a lot, and I feel like this pizza is not gonna be enough for my family because we love pizza so much. So I think I'm gonna make another one very quickly. After doing this one, I'm gonna prepare another one. Double some cheese. No, first of all, let me pour some sauce oniana, you understand? So I don't know, I'm just gonna pour the sauce. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour my cheese right now. There we go. Oh, isn't that delicious already? Okay. guys, y'all got to see the wonders happening in here. I think 20 minutes has passed because we started at 5, so it's 20 past 5. Okay, I'm just gonna try to check if it's okay. Then if it's okay, then I'll. Okay guys, I'm done and dusted with the pizza and it looks fantastic. We're done and dusted, so we're just gonna wait for the next one to be finito. Okay guys, so we're done and dusted with the first pizza, and as you can see, it's really mouth-watering, and I would really like to taste the first part. Oh, I'm struggling. Maybe. Anyway guys, like I said, I'm on it again with my next pizza. This one is not that big, so I'm just gonna pour it on my pan. But I don't really have to show it once again because you saw the first part. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm finishing off with the last pizza. It kind of looks different, but yeah, let me just put on some cheese. Okay guys, so we're done and dusted with both the pizzas. This is the last one that I made, and this is the first one that I made, so I'm about to dish it out. So just hold on for a second. Okay, I'm done and dusted, dishing out. Everything is sorted. Look how pretty is this. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in once again. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget, if you really enjoyed this video, thumbs up, add a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe.